I did my second ACL when you did your ankle.
Yeah, it was literally
like one day after each other.
Yeah, because I just remember being in like the ice bath, like putting my foot in the bath, and then the physios ran out to get Hannah. And I think it's one of them being injured, like it's obviously not the best, like it's a hard time for whoever goes through it, but I think it really puts everything into perspective.
You go through that and then you come back together and you make the Euro squad.
Yeah, look at us go.
Class.
It's been on like a rollercoaster, haven't we?
I remember watching your game actually against France. Well, I think I was injured in my first ACL.
Oh yeah.
Esther had an absolute worldie against France and I was sat at home, and I remember the group chat after, and yeah, it's going to be like the whole tournament's going to be unreal, but just for moments like that, seeing players that are still so young and things like that are just unbelievable, and we get to play on the biggest stage against the best teams in Europe and really put Wales on the map, so I can't wait.
I don't think I've told you this, but when you scored, like I wish there was a reaction video of me, because like it actually made me so like emotional, and like I'm not even just saying it because I'm here, but like I was just like, what a journey you've been on.
And I was mad, just like,
I was just like, wow, like I'm so proud of you.
You work so hard to get here, you don't want to miss the opportunity, and I think that's what we all feel, and it runs through players, staff, family. Everybody's making sacrifices to be here, but when you hear something like that and you're like, oh, wow,